Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's I'm going to show you how to find or to get your blog's ID in the Notion application or Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to connect to your Notion website website with your uh, Google account or Apple account, or you can just connect with email address. Otherwise you can just open your desktop application. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So simply to get an object ID, we need to have an object. Basically, the objects are all the things that are listed here. They can be a block text, they can be a page, to-do list, heading, etc. All of these can be here in an object or a block. So basically, if we want to get an object ID, we need to copy it or have a link of it. So let's supposedly have a code or inline database. I want, for example, inline equation. Let's have just E equal E square, for example. Just have some things here. Have another block, and let's make it code the block. Let's have it here. C language, for example. Let's just type something, for example, include data and whatever we write. So now we want to have the link of our blog, so we need to select our blog. So you will need to have and click on this icon, and here we will find copy link to blog. So basically it will generate a blog link. When we copy it, you can have it here, for example, in this text editor, and the numbers after these square character is the block page or the block ID. Let's do this for the second block, and let's have it like that. Let's go to another block and have it. And as you can see, the both blocks have different ID, but the same page ID, because the first code or the first this code is the page ID, then it is preceded by the block ID. If you are using, for example, the web portal, let's go to our Notion and take to Notion. Here, if we select our here, you can just go to your URL and have your blog, for example, selected here and or paste it here, and you will have your blog page or blog ID. And you can do this for the whole blogs of your pages. So for example, let's take this block here, this text block, and we will have it pasted here, and it has another block ID. So basically this is how you can get your block IDs in Notion website or Notion application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.